Well, good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with SouthernIndianaWeather.com. Thanks for logging on here. Quick forecast update here for you. We've got snow already. Seen a little bit of a warning shot moving into the area today, but this morning. But this afternoon, we'll certainly see a little bit more move in. It's about 6:45 a.m. Eastern, 5:45 Central as I'm up and recording this. Winter weather advisories in the purple here in effect pretty much area wide. All of southern Indiana impacted by that. Winter storm warnings in pink down a little bit more to the south of us in Kentucky, where a little bit heavier snow is expected. Now, what kind of impacts are we going to see? Let's just put future radar on. Here's this first warning shot of snow that's moving through this morning, and untreated roads probably already getting a little bit on them. It's not accumulating much at this point. It's very light, but you notice this here to the just to our west over here in Iowa right now. That's going to be our main event, and as that's going to expand as the morning grows on, and it's going to reach us pretty quickly. By about 11 or 12 o'clock, it should start to reach us in the area and start to bring that accumulating snow to the area. Let me go ahead and put future radar on here. First off, let's just stop this. This is current radar. Let me take that off, and I just want to show you future radar then, and you'll get an idea and see. Future radar doing pretty good as to indicating where this placement would be. But let me put future radar here into motion, and I want you to just notice how we just this precipitation area just expands. And so here we are right now at about 11 a.m. Eastern time in future radar mode. The accumulating snows knocking on our door. The warning shot is off to our east just a little bit, but you continue to put this into motion, and you can see it's starting to overtake, especially southwest Indiana. Maybe some heavier bands in with that here, and this would be by about noon Central, 1 Eastern time here, and that moves through the area. You've got accumulating snow area wide here as we go through the afternoon hours. That'll start to move away. By the time you get to about 7 o'clock tonight, you see all that's down in Kentucky, and we're just left with a few flurries there after that. So, that said, how much snow would we end up getting if we take a look at accumulated snowfall here? Heavier snows stay down in Kentucky, but for southern Indiana, still some pretty decent snowfalls. This HER model that I'm using here, this is the high res rapid refresh, the highest res model we have available. It's predicting here around 3.5 for Evansville, 3.3 up here Washington area, 3.2 towards Louisville, and 2 inches all the way up towards Indianapolis. So you can see a good 2 to 4 inches area wide is what this is pretty much saying for us. Now, of course, that's going to make for some slick roadways. The roadways aren't too bad out there right now. If you go to indot.carsprogram.org and you can kind of see a little map that gives you some understanding about it. The kind of blue color here is fair roads. These are good roads here. And then, of course, if it was in pink, it would be hazardous or difficult. But I'll post a link to that on the on my Facebook page here as well, folks, where you can get that. As the morning rolls on, the afternoon rolls on, as the storm gets closer, INDOT will be updating this with road conditions. It's a good way to be able to tell whether or not there's any danger there for you out on the roadway. So, bottom line, if you are traveling out on the road to church today, just be careful. The little warning shot that's here right now could give us a few slick roads, but it's not going to accumulate very much. That will most of the accumulating snows come this afternoon. So evening services may be more in jeopardy than our morning services from the way things look right now for you churchgoers there, folks. Again, 2 to 4 inches area wide. We'll keep you updated throughout the day. I'm meteorologist Michael Wilhite. Stay safe out on the roads today, folks, and happy Valentine's Day.